This is question number 2, exercise 4.3, and the question is find the roots of the quadratic equations if they exist by applying the quadratic formula. So we have to find the roots of those given quadratic equations provided if they exist. So that means the exist means what? The real roots must exist. We must have real roots, not any other roots. Now to check whether the roots exist or not, if they exist, this root exists or not, to see this, I said earlier that we have to check the discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. Now if this discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or equal to 0, we say the real root exists. Okay, if it is less than 0, real root does not exist. Since real root does not exist, we don't have to find out. Okay, so I'm starting with question number 4. Let's see, first of all, real root exists or not. If real root exists, we'll be finding the roots by applying the quadratic formula. Okay, so let's do the solution for this. The question is, we have to find the roots if the roots exist. That means if we have real roots. Now to do this, directly write down here a equal to, a is the coefficient of x square, so a is 2, b equal to, b is the coefficient of x, so 1, c equal to the constant term 4. Okay, so this term is 4, so a, b, this coefficient is b, so b is 1, c equal to 4. So what you have to do, we have to check the roots exist or not. For that, first of all, we will find b square minus 4ac. Okay, so b square means 1 square minus 4a, a means 2 into c is 4. Okay, so here I just put the values of a, b and c. Now 1 square is 1, 4 to the 8, 8 4 the 32. Okay, so 1 minus 32 is minus 31. Now see here, since we got minus 31, which is less than 0, as I already mentioned, if this b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we say real roots does not exist. Okay, now you write down, since b square minus 4ac less than 0, okay, therefore real roots, therefore write down real roots does not exist. So real root does not exist, and since it does not exist, nothing is there to find. Okay, so this is how you have to find the solutions. Now if supposing this real root exists, we have to go for the finding the values of x. Okay, I'm doing this question number 3, and let's see first of all real root exists or not. Okay, so first you write down here a equal to, a is the coefficient of x squared, so it is 4, b is the coefficient of x, this is 4 root 3, c is the constant term, so it is 3. Okay, so I have written first of all the values of a, b and c. Now what you have to do, you just find out directly b square minus 4ac. Therefore b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac equal to b is 4 root 3, okay, whole square, minus 4a, a is 4, c is 3. Okay, so I am doing the calculation directly. 4 squared is 16, root 3 squared is 3, so 4 squared is 16, root 3 squared is 3, 16 3 is 48, minus again 4 squared is 4, 4 is 16, 3 is 48, so 48 minus 48 is 0. So we got, therefore we are getting now b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now since it is 0, as I said already, that to get real roots, either this b square minus 4ac will be 0, should be 0, or greater than 0. Now since this b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, therefore we write down, therefore real roots exist. Okay, real roots exist. Now since real root exists, what you have to do the next step, we will be finding the roots, and it is said by applying the quadratic formula. Okay, so since real root exists, let us find the roots by using the quadratic formula. X equal to, the formula is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Now put the values. Minus b is minus of b value, so minus of b was 4 root 3, plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is 0. So you don't have to again do here. Already have the value. b square minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have put it 0 in divided by twice a. 2 into a is 4. Okay. So this is equal to you will have now minus 4 root 3 plus minus square root of 0 is 0 divided by 2 4s are 8. This is equal to, so this is now minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0. Before 0 we have plus or minus, it is meaningless, so plus minus 0 has no meaning, so we have 4 root 3 divided by 8. Okay, now cancel it, 4 2s are. So we got the value minus root 3 by 2. But as I have already mentioned, it is a quadratic equation. It must have two roots. We got here only one root. Okay, we got only one root. Then what about the other root? Since you got only one root, by taking this, by keeping this b square minus 4ac equal to 0, here plus of 0 if you consider 4 root 3, minus of 0 also if you consider, so that minus of 4 root 3 only. That means the two roots, okay, two roots will be the same equal roots. It is minus root 3 by 2. The another one is also minus root 3 by 2. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. All right.